welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I take a stocking and make it into a headband for your natural hair puffs. And if you have not seen that video, please make sure you go and check it out. Alright, so all you're going to need is a stocking of your choice. I would definitely recommend getting black because sometimes this will show. So it's not a big deal. And then, of course, you're going to need just some regular scissors, some good cutting scissors. And, you know, after I show y'all this, y'all going to be like, what, Jordan? I could have figured that out myself, but I'm going to show y'all anyway. So, basically, as you can see, I already started so that y'all can see, like, better. But this is the stocking. And then you just want to cut down the line, basically. Like, you just want to cut down. So, I already started. And, hold it up this way. I'm just going to cut down the line. So you just want to cut it open like this. Basically, I just cut down the line. And then what you're going to do is just cut a strip off. It's real simple, super simple. So now I'm going to cut a strip off. And then once you cut that strip off, this is the end result. You have a very stretchy hair tie like band for your puffs. And again, if you have not seen that video, please be sure to check it out. I will put it down in the description box below. So yeah, this is so much better to me than headbands because the headbands really like pull my edges and pull my hair back in my puffs, and it really hurts. And even when I cut them and try to like tie them, the elastic is so strong that it's hard to even like tie it. It's just a big hassle. With this, it's super easy and it's stretchy and it's soft and it doesn't pull my hair or pull my edges. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.